waking up to my heartbeat, accompanied by the rain. The soreness in my eyes is not very surprising. This room is still uncharted, but as soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS. I'll wave like it's nobody's business. Give me some time to breathe, give me some time to speak, 'cause I know the truth inside. And I promise you this time, no bravado, no more strange, stupid games, just one motto. No more pain, all in vain, let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado. Standing out in the crossroads, trying to make out where to go. You're left without warning, and now you're ignoring me. So what about us? What about all we had? Just send me an SOS. I'll run to you faster than lightning. Give me some time to breathe, give me some time to speak, 'cause I know the truth inside. And I promise you this time, no bravado, no more strange, stupid games, just one motto. No more pain, all in vain, let your guard down. Call my name when you need a friend. No bravado, no bravado. Tiny hand in mine, you're 5 feet off the ground. Your wrist on my shoulder, and the stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, forever be, forever be. The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now into a memory, a picture on the wall, a moment frozen up to fall. In this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, forever be, forever be. waking up to my heartbeat, accompanied by the rain. The soreness in my eyes is not very surprising. This room is still uncharted, but as soon as I get started, I'll send you an SOS. I'll wave like it's nobody's business. Give me some time to breathe, give me some time to speak, 'cause I know that